In today's tutorial, we are going to create an amazing animated kids love story like this with the help of 4 free AI tools. And towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you an amazing trick to create text to animation or text to video. So it should be a lot of fun. If you're ready, let's begin. Step 1. Go to chat.openai.com and in the send message option, you type your command. For me, the command is create a short cute love story in 200 words and then go to this send message option. So I have got a cute love story of Lily and Max and I will give next command. So my next prompt is divide it into 5 scenes and create prompt to generate image for each scene. And then I'll go to send message option once again. Okay, so I got the prompts for each scene. Now let us go to the next step where we'll be creating our AI generated images. For that we will head over to Leonardo AI and from here you go to create account option and go to yes I am whitelisted or count me in. You will have to give your name, username and mail ID and just count me in. Once you do that, you will get into the dashboard. Go to AI image generation in the left hand side. So we will be taking the 3D animation style since we want to create a cute love story. So we'll be taking 3D animation style. Now again, we will go to the first prompt. Here I will give some more details. So I have given this and now I will click on generate and let's see. Okay, one more thing, you can adjust number of images. So the more you generate images, the more tokens will be used. So I will take only 2. Here prompt magic should be on. I will be doing 16:9. That is the widescreen ratio. So I will change this to that. And that's pretty much it. I will just go for generate and let's see. Wow, this is so sweet, right? So we can do different types of upgradation from here. Here you can do some unzoom image. You can remove background also from here directly. These are all new additions, okay? And you can do HD crisp upscaling. All these upscalings are possible. So you can fairly see the difference. When I have upscaled this image to smooth upscaling, this is looking a lot better. So I will simply download this image. So likewise, I will generate other images. Now, many of you are asking me, ma'am, how do we get consistent images? Meaning, when I will be taking the next image, it should match with this feature. For that, what all I need to do is, I just copy the second prompt and I will add it here. And right now, I have downloaded one image, right? So I will just upload that image from my download folder. This will give a reference for this video, this image, and I have added the second prompt with the first prompt. And let's go and generate. So you can jolly well see these are all similar kind of image just because I have uploaded this image. So Leonardo will take the reference of this image and create rest of the images. Likewise, you will have to create all the images and once you like it, you can smooth it. You can go for this HD smooth upscale and then you can download. Next step, let us go to Pika Art. This is a free website. Here you can create text to video as well as image to video. So come a little downwards and go to this join beta option. If you already have a Discord account, then automatically you will be led to the Discord account. Otherwise, you can give a name to your server and continue. Once you open the Discord account of your Pikalabs, then you can choose any of these generate rooms. Okay, let me choose generate 5. Now you'll have to give // and you'll have to write create. you go to this plus more option, you go to image option, and then you'll have to go for uploading your image. So I'll upload this image, and then this prompt section we cannot keep blank. So we will, in the first prompt, we will write love story, highly detailed. I will give two values. One is HyperGS, which I will keep at 5, and I will give HyperMotion, and I will keep the value as 2. Now I know you don't understand why have I kept these two factors. Don't worry, I will narrate you what is the functionality of these two factors, and once it is done, just enter to generate. Now in a while it will generate your video on a highlighted box. See, on this highlighted box my video is generated. This is the video. So once you like this, just go and download. Okay, if you don't like, you can again go for this regenerate button. You can press it and it will generate. There is no limit, guys. This is absolutely free. You guys were asking me that if we can generate unlimited number of videos. So this is one option, and in my previous video I have also shown you another option. So you must go and watch that video as well. So combining these two also you can use and start your channel or start your work as an animator. And let's move forward to the next video. I will give / create. Okay, then I'll go to this one plus one more this option, go to image, drag the second image. I will give this prompt here. So now I have changed my prompt a little bit to show you the effect. I have not given only love story. You can still continue with love story, just add highly detailed, GS5 and motions 2, which I'm going to tell you why am I adding this. Okay, there we go. My video is ready. If you like this, then download and it will get downloaded. Likewise, you will have to download all the videos. Now, before I move forward and go to the next step, let me show you a couple of things. Here, I have shown you image to video option, right? So I'm going to create a video right from text. For that, I will go to this message section again, / create. Okay. And then in the prompt box, I will give, okay, my prompt is ready and I will just go generate. Okay, now I will make another, now this is time when I should be telling you what are these values. There are two things here. One is HyperGS and another is HyperMotion. Now HyperGS value goes from 1 to 100 and HyperMotion value goes from 1 to 4. So if you give HyperMotion value higher, the background should move more. And if you give HyperGS value higher, the main subject will move more. Next, we will be generating our voiceover from 11 Labs Prime Voice AI. So what all I need to do is I need to copy this entire story. So I will go to 11 Labs and straightforward, I will paste it. There is one thing, if you don't sign up for 11 Labs, it's only 333 words. So better to sign up, it's again free. You can choose any of these voice artists, go to generate. You can play from here. And if you're satisfied, then you can download from this option. So it will get downloaded in your hard drive. Now we are moving forward to create the complete video. We will be editing in Canva because it is free. You can get Canva Pro also for free. But in today's tutorial, we are not going to use any Pro feature. So go to Canva link which is there in the description box below and create your account. Then go to create design and select your video aspect ratio. Otherwise, I preferably go to this video option and select the preferred aspect ratio. Once you have taken it, all you need to do is go to upload section, upload all the files. Now once all the videos are uploaded, scene by scene, you will have to take them, right click and set the video as background. If you want to get rid of this Pikalabs thing, just extend it a little bit and that's all. Okay. If you want to change the duration, just select this, go to playback and reduce the scene speed. Okay. Well, there is another process which many people do follow, that they take the last screenshot and then upload it further for the video. But according to me, if you're doing that, then the video quality deteriorates. Every time you take a snapshot of the last scene of your video, the next video will be poor in quality. So if you want to do that you want to take a snapshot of this part and again get it to Pikalabs to generate the second video, then I would suggest you to go for the quality enhancement of that picture. For that, you can follow this video which is coming to the top right hand side corner in I button, and you can check and you can upload your images to enhance its quality and then use it further for generating the next video. Okay, so like this, you will have to take all the videos one by one. Change the speed again if you want to, playback speed a little bit. Go to this plus icon to get the next page. Just select, right click, set as background, double click and just crop it a little bit if you want to. Like this, you'll have to add all the videos. Now, few more things. If you want to add any transition between, go to this transition option and take a transition which is suitable for your screen. And then finally is the audio part. Again, same way, you'll have to go to upload section, go to audio section and just drag and drop your audio here. Okay, and you can adjust the audio volume by double clicking on this. This is a volume option and reduce or increase the volume. If you want to give fade in or fade out, then you can do this, but I do not do because this is a dialogue, so I don't need. And adjust is mainly usable for a background music. If you're adding a background music here, in the same way you can upload your background music or get many musics from this audio section. If you're using one, then you double click and you can choose the part you want to play for that particular slide. Okay, so there is beat sync as well. If you want to sync the dialogues with your slides, then you can use this, but this is a pro feature. Since I told you that I don't need a pro feature, actually you don't need, you can just continue adding the slides and your audio will automatically match with the slide, because this is having auto sync option as well. You can give the name here, like for me I will give love story. So name. Now go to share option, go to download option, and from here you will have to download. Okay, it should be in MP4 format, and make sure all the boxes are ticked like from here, and then download. And after all this is the final result.
In a charming town, Lily, a bookshop owner with a heart full of dreams, crossed paths with Max, a quirky musician with a penchant for spontaneity. One rainy afternoon, Max wandered into Lily's shop, seeking refuge from the storm. As they exchanged shy smiles, conversation sparked over a shared love for old novels and rainy days. Their meetings became regular, and with each encounter, their connection grew stronger. Max would play his guitar outside Lily's shop, composing melodies that danced in harmony with her laughter. Lily, in turn, surprised Max with heartwarming notes tucked between the book pages he admired. One evening, under a canopy of stars, Max orchestrated a surprise serenade outside the bookshop, pouring his heart out through his music. Lily, deeply moved, emerged from her shop with a single rose. Their hands brushed as she handed it to him, a silent confession of her feelings. With their hearts intertwined, they embarked on adventures together, stargazing picnics, impromptu dances in the rain, and cozy evenings by the fireplace.
If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like
One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.